How to change your passwords on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your password on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and here click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. And now click on password and security and click on the first option, which is check your important security setting. Now click on your password is okay, which is the second option. And this is cause if you are using a easy password, then your account probably they may be less secure. You can click on change password and change your password. Here click your normal password, and here click your new password, and here click again your new password. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.